Lip tints are so in right now. You don't have to keep on reapplying it. You apply it once, stain that will last you really long. Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gauri Gazre and on this channel I post content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So do check my channel out, and if you find something that you're looking for, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with today's video. Ever since I've tried Rare Beauty lip oil and I've been introduced to the world of lip tints, I am obsessed. Lip tints are so in right now, especially someone like me who has little pigmented lip. I prefer some sort of flush of color on my lip. It looks nice, it looks flattering and it feels nice. As long as you do whatever you feel nice, you're good to go. And makeup products that are towards care, like skin care, lip care, I mean, what better can you ask for, right? I really like the idea behind lip tint that you don't have to keep on reapplying it. You apply it once, it leaves a stain that will last you really long, so you don't have to keep on reapplying your makeup. You have that flash of color on your face. It looks natural. Aur kya hi chahiye? If you're someone who is a fan of like no makeup look or very minimal look, I get you. I totally get you because I'm the same. So let's start towards the review of the product that I will be picking up today. That is K Beauty's newly launched lip tints. I have chosen the shade Juicy, which is on a very darker side, but I kind of like it. Itna zyada dark nahi hai, so it kind of looks natural on. So this is a lip tint enriched with grapeseed oil plus red raspberry. See, this is what I was telling you. Lip makeup with lip care. It mentions hashtag makeup that cares. So true, because grapeseed oil is very good for the nourishment of the lips. So this is how the packaging looks like. This would be my very first K Beauty product. I always wanted to get my hands on one and I'm glad that I finally found one. And it retails for $8.90 or $8.99, but मुझे कुछ discount पे मिला because they were newly launched, या कुछ 10-20% discount चल रहा था Nykaa पे. The packaging is very minimal. It's typical K Beauty. It has a heart-shaped applicator. How cute is that? Although application wise अगर देखा जाए तो इतना कुछ revolutionary नहीं है. I feel the doe foot applicator is better than this one. ऐसा नहीं है कि since it is a heart shaped applicator, the application is much more precise. Nothing like it. So I don't really understand the need of this, but as long as it is serving the purpose, it's good. Let's try and see how it looks like. I'll swatch it on my hand and show first. This is a very pretty shade. Let's swatch this on my lip. I have been using this for quite some time now. मतलब मैं almost हर रोज ऑफिस लगा के जाती हूँ ये, और ये दिन भर टिक जाता है. The stain of K Beauty lasts longer than that of Rare Beauty, and of course it is much more easy on pocket than Rare Beauty, so why not? This is how it looks. I just love how this is looking on my lips. It gives a nice shine, and this is the first application. If I put on another layer, it will look darker. I'll do that in a bit. Let's talk about this more. It does not feel stingy or icy or anything on the lips. It just feels like applying a normal lip gloss or your lip balm. The fragrance is very mild. It's a very nice soothing fragrance on a fruity and floral side. It is a combination of fruity plus floral. I like it. Let's go with another layer of this. This is how it looks like in the second application. जो मैंने हाथ पे लगाया था, I will rub it off and see this stain on my hand. This is how prominent this stain is. This is what I needed since forever. I want it to feel like, you know, MLBB, my lips, but better. I will keep this on for a while and we'll come back to see how the lip stain looks like. मैं सिर्फ थोड़ा सा dab करके देखूंगी how it looks, and then we'll try to wipe the entire thing off and see how the stain looks like. So the shine is gone, and can you see how beautiful it looks? I'll try wiping this entire thing off and see कि stain रहता भी है कि नहीं या कितना रहता है. Like अगर ये आप taste भी कर रहे हो, does not feel weird or chemical like. There's nothing odd that you'll feel. So I am a fan of this look. This look is everything for me. मतलब यही चाहिए था मुझे. And I'm sure you guys will love it too. मैंने रेयर ब्यूटी का लिप ऑयल भी इसीलिए परचेज किया था बिकॉज ऑफ द लिप स्टेन, एंड आई फील आई हैव गॉट अ रियली गुड ऑल्टरनेटिव. आई मीन आई कैन से ऑल्टरनेटिव, रेयर ब्यूटी अपनी जगह सही है एंड के ब्यूटी अपनी जगह सही है, एंड दीज टू आर टू डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड रेयर ब्यूटी वन इज अ लिप ऑयल, तो इट लुक्स लाइक इट गिव्स अ वेरी ग्लॉसी फिनिश, whereas this also gives a glossy finish but not so much, like not glass like finish. मेरे लिए lip stain was the main reason, and वो ये बहुत ही अच्छे से satisfy कर रहा है. मैं ये literally हर रोज अप्लाई करती हूँ. It stays entire day. Rare Beauty का जो darkest shade है Affection, if I'm not wrong, I think this might be a dupe to that shade. I think this is a must have if you are someone who really likes minimal makeup, and if you like, you know, that natural look, go for this. Lip tints are totally in and they are totally trending. So this is it for today, you guys. This is Gauri Garji signing off for now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I hope this was helpful as well in some or the other way. So I will see you in my future videos. For now, bye bye, take care.